Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the creek. We're going to try to fish for some browns, some wild brown trout. We're going to try to, I've fished this creek many a times, usually like gulp minnows. But I'm going to try some little jerk baits, see how I do here today, if it makes a difference. I know I could definitely catch them on gulp, but I just want to see how it works in this creek. That's what we're going to be using, guys. Our St. Croix 6'6" light action. Then we have the Cadence CS8 1000 with 4-pound P-line fluorocarbon. Let's give it a shot. Air temperature is about 35 degrees. It's around 12:30 in the afternoon. I actually tried making a catch and cook stock trout video, but nothing, no bites, nothing. I wasted about 3 hours trying that. Big trout right there, guys. Just followed it right up to me. Darn. He's not gonna hit again. He was probably in that slacked water over there. Yeah, he's definitely one of the biggest browns I've seen in this creek. Like I said, he had to be over 16. But he actually fouled it twice. Fouled it once, literally almost came right to my feet. And then he scattered. A couple casts later, same thing. Which is kind of surprising. Unless there's two in that spot, but usually in a creek like this, when you see one big trout, they kind of keep all the smaller ones away. But so if you're catching small trout, you can generally catch a few in that certain area. But if it's one decent one, like I said, it's usually he's by himself. Here's a fish. First cast over here, guys. Finally got a fish. There he is. It's number one. Just switched it up to Powerbait minnow. First cast over here. There he is, guys. First brownie of the day. This is a little wild brown here. So let him go. And there he is. He's gone. Why do we got a stick in our net? That's what we got him on. Moon jig 1/16 ounce and a 3-inch minnow. Works every time. Alrighty, guys, we got one so far. There's another hole here. Hopefully we'll get one or two out of here. spot usually holds some fish. Stand back. I'll scare the fish away. There's fish. It's number 2 here if we can land them. Got him, guys. Nice brownie here. Check them out. Right in here, right in this strong current. There he is, guys. Check him out. Chill. There he is. Look at him. Nice 14-inch here. Let's see how good I am. "14 inches. Like I said, guys, number 2. Such a pretty fish here. Looks like he got pecked at something there. So let him go. There he goes, guys. Nice fish. There's a fish. It's decent too. It's in that strong current. There he comes. There's fish here, guys. Where is he? Man, he is fighting. Don't you come on, baby. Good, he's down here now. Guys, wait till you see the size of this fish. If I could land him. We got him! Oh my God. Guys, look at this brown in this creek. Wow, dude, you're my new PB in here. Unbelievable. Look at this thing. It wasn't really hooked that good either. Wait till you see this fish. Look at this, guys. Crazy. Insane. Out of a creek. 18, 19 maybe? Oh my God, guys. Let's get him some air. Jojo, you're up here. I'm putting you back to your home. And there he goes. Yeah, baby. Thumbs up for that fish. What a fight. I didn't know he was that big. I thought he was just in the current. That's the bait, guys. Powerbait minnow. He literally hit right before I was about to pick the rod up. He hit like right here. I'm standing here, and I didn't even see him. He just smacked it. That's just crazy. Let's throw it back up there. Wow. It's definitely a test for the new rod. I handled it perfectly. So I had him here, then he started going down here. And it was like right in this real strong current. So I just thought it was a current. I really didn't know how big he was at first. Man. No idea they were in here that big. So this would be the spot though, if they are, because like I said, guys, wherever you have lots of current to slack waters, that's where you're gonna find them. They just wait for stuff to come down to eat, you know? Is that a bite? I can't imagine there's another one in here though with a fish that size, but I'll give it a few. And that's what I try to do too. Whenever you're fishing in there, when you have a lot of roaring water coming down, throw it in that, because that's going to mimic, you know, bait fish coming down, and that is what they're waiting for.